If you're getting an ElevenLabs error 429, don't worry, this is usually a request limit issue, and in this video I'll show you exactly what it means and what you can do to fix it. This is especially helpful if you're generating a lot of speech, testing multiple requests, or using ElevenLabs in a workflow, and suddenly your requests stop going through. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, it's important to understand what error 429 actually means. In most cases, ElevenLabs is telling you that too many requests were sent too quickly or that the service is temporarily overloaded. The two most common messages you might see are too many concurrent requests and system/busy. If your error says too many concurrent requests, that means you've exceeded the concurrency limit on your subscription. In simple terms, you have too many requests running at the same time, and ElevenLabs is blocking the extra ones until the current jobs finish. This usually happens when you trigger multiple generations at once, run several tabs, use automation too aggressively, or send repeated requests before the previous one has completed. The fix here is to slow things down, reduce the number of simultaneous requests, wait for each job to finish before starting the next one, and if possible, add a small delay between generations. If you are using an API workflow, make sure your code is not firing multiple calls in parallel beyond your plan's allowed limit. In some cases, upgrading your subscription can also help if you consistently need more concurrency. Now, if the message says system/busy, that means ElevenLabs services were under heavy traffic at that moment and your request could not be processed right away. This is not usually a problem with your account or setup. It simply means the servers were busy. The best fix in this situation is to retry the request after a short wait. Often, the next attempt will succeed, especially if you give it a few seconds or a minute before trying again. If you're using a browser or app interface, refresh the page and submit the request again. If you're using the API, implement a retry strategy with a short backoff so your app automatically tries again when the service is less busy. That way, you don't have to manually resend every failed request. So to summarize, too many concurrent requests means you need to lower the number of active requests, while system/busy means you should wait and retry because ElevenLabs is experiencing high traffic. If you're still getting 429 errors after that, double check that your workflow isn't making duplicate calls and make sure you're staying within your planned limits. A good practice is to test one request at a time, then gradually increase your usage until you find a stable pace. That helps you avoid hitting the limit again. And if you're building anything automated, pacing your requests is one of the best ways to keep everything running smoothly. If this video helped you fix the ElevenLabs error 429, please like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.